Greetings. Smile. Turn your lips upwards. Breathe. Loosening the body. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Why so somber? You are needing to learn about the energy of your earth on a deeper level. You are learning about the energy of your earth on a deeper level. You are learning about the energy of the earth through the very earth form of your body. You are feeling its ups and downs. You are feeling the contractions of pain as you burst through a membrane that has carried a vibration of your past experiences in physical form. You have heard of the Akashic records. You understand the Akasha that has imprinted the story of all souls' lives on it. Well, let me tell you this. The Akashic plane exists indeed. An Akashic membrane exists in between all of your subtle bodies, in between the cells, in between the emotional body, psychic body, mental body, in the vibrational bodies. The Akashic records of your own emotional experience are releasing. You are feeling that membrane breaking. A woman knows who has come together in love and intimacy physically with a man for the first time that there is a membrane that breaks. It is felt. And sometimes that membrane is painful, and sometimes the connection is violent, depending on the experiences that you have had. Depending on the experiences that you have had in this lifetime and your past life. There have been violent experiences. My dears, you are moving from a membrane when you are born. You all have that experience. You all share it on the earth. You moved through a sac or a membrane to be born. You moved through a canal. You moved through contractions and expansions to come in to experience this plane. You are moving through membranes, expansions, and contractions now to experience this changed plane as a changed being. Transformation, transmutation, that is the vibration of the age. 2016, as you know it on your calendar, this age of Aquarius, as it is known, this age of transformation, as it is known as well, this time, this space, this age, you are becoming more physically changed than ever before, and your earth and its atmosphere and vibrations, her atmosphere and vibrations, is also becoming physically changed. You have heard from Kuan Yin and the flowers. You have heard from myself, the angelic realm. You have heard that your cellular structure is becoming more crystalline. You have heard that your physical form is becoming less mammal-like and more flower-like, plant-like. You perhaps don't understand fully what that means yet, though your science is beginning to get glimpses as your metaphysicians get glimpses and share them with you, as well as your own internal being gets glimpses and shares this with you. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain, remembering that there is joy in birth as well as pain, that there is joy in coming together in physical intimacy as well as sometimes pain, that there is joy in experiencing death as well as pain. And so you are understanding something about connecting pain and pleasure into wholeness. And so you're understanding about unity consciousness. As you open to unity consciousness, particularly in the physical form on the physical plane, you will experience all the places within your being that has difficulty with other ways of doing things. Take a moment now and hold the hands back up, palms up, as was suggested by our brother Michael the Archangel, and now call to you a vision of some being on the earth that bothers you, that irritates you, that you see as being different in beliefs or way of expressing or being. And in this moment, breathe the irritation into your being and breathe joy and love out towards that being. Imagine a small video. You can imagine that now from your phones and your tiny places that you can see movies or videos on. Imagine a small video of that person, a hologram, held balanced in the palms of your hands, and breathing in whatever it is that irritates you about them. And as you breathe it in, you'll begin to see greedy, ignorant, violent, mean, dark, grasping, unconscious, whatever you see. And on the outward, simply breathe love. And on the inward, breathe your feeling about this being, about their actions. And stay with that for 15 breaths or so. I will have the channel tone for 15 breaths or so that you know. If you have been able to stay with it for 15 breaths, drawing back to you your own irritation, your anger, your fear, your despair, your hurt, the violence, whatever it is you see in that person, and radiated on the outward breath, love and compassion, you will find that your energy has changed in the presence of that being. This is a gift I give to you. This is a tool I give to you, an exercise I give to you to work with what irritates you. This is going to be important. The irritations work their way into your physical form. So perhaps colds or digestive issues or physical imbalances will be more prevalent as you're moving into this year of 2016. Remember, physical changes are taking place. You have felt the vibratory changes in awareness and seen them moving into the earth, opening up individuals like yourself. You will now see them changing the matter that is resistance. There will be resistance to unity consciousness. There will be those that try to grasp on to material power, to try to grasp on what they believe is power, military power, power of money or resources or intellect. And you will see a lot of that this year, and you will see resistance of towards those who try to resist this new energy vibration. Your place is to hold the stable energy as much as possible, to call on us to help you hold it. You will experience resistance in yourself. This is a given. Do not beat yourself up for the resistance when you become aware of it. Rather be gentle with it when you become aware of it. The greatest task that you have right now on the planet is not getting out and changing things. It is changing internally, for you are changing physically, and the material aspect of your planet is changing.